Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy options in TradingView. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to TradingView website. After you are in the website, make sure to log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this dashboard. Now here at the right hand side, here you can see the watch list. You can see the plus icon over here. Click on it. Now type in the name of the stocks or options that you want to buy. Once you find the options that you want to buy, you can click on this plus button. Now it will be added to your watch list. So you can simply click on it. Now click on Super Charts. It will open the charts in the new tab. Now in the charts, you can simply right click on it. Select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Trading. Here you need to enable this buy and sell buttons. Click on OK. Also make sure that your account is connected to a broker account. Only then you will be able to buy and sell any shares. Here in the charts you can see this blue button. This is for buying shares and the red button is for selling. So in order to buy the options, you need to click on this blue button. Now a trading window will appear. Here you need to mention how many units you want to buy. You can simply type on it. If you go to this limit tab, here you can see other parameters that you might want to check. And once you check everything and you are ready to buy this, you can click on this buy button. And if everything goes well, you'll be able to buy it. If you jump into any error, you can simply follow the instructions and proceed further. So that's it. That's how you can buy options in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.